So here we have a new streaming application, new for October 2024. And this application is focused all on free live sports. Now, this application is absolutely free. It doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. As you can see, the application has a fully working program guide, so you know exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. And I'm not using any kind of VPN, so you can get all of this great content across all of your devices. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. And here you can see, as reported by Variety News, Free Live Sports is a brand new streaming platform and it's launched with over 100 live channels. These are free channels which are ad supported. You get sports channels, but also access to movies, documentaries, series, and even highlights. Now, I said initially it launched with the 68 channels, but another 34 are set to join the platform, including all these ones that you can see down here. Now, let's jump over to my third generation Fire TV Cube and I'll show you exactly how this application works. Now, when you start the application for the first time, you can see there's no login prompt or dialog box or anything like that. It takes you straight into that fully working program guide. Now, you can see the channels on the left and you can see exactly what's on these channels. So here, for example, I can see on this softball channel, I can click on that. I can now press select and I get to see a small preview of that softball channel in the top right. Now, if I want to make that full screen, I can just hold down the select button. So 3, 2, 1, let go. And we can see that channel has now gone into full screen. And that is a glorious high definition picture. And when you are in the channel, you now get to see the channel list across the bottom. So very cable-like experience. You can quickly navigate through the channels and also see exactly what's on those channels from an overlay menu over here. Here, for example, we can see this is some racing. Let's click on that. That instantly changes the channel and we are taken straight to that live broadcast. And it's some super dirt cup. So some different forms of racing, but that's working absolutely fine. Let's press back on the remote and we are once again taken to the EPG. So these are all the motorsports. Then we have a section for racket sports, college sports, poker, combat sports. So you have a good section of channels for combat sports, sports news, action sports, team sports, billiards, extreme sports. Here, for example, is the Strongman Championship. Let's click on that. And we can see the preview over there. So just to show you that it's not just one channel or one episode, as this is an official license application, everything in here, it's working straight away. And you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this great content. And again, to make that full screen, hold down the select button. Now we can see some big guy carrying some big weights. That's working fine. Let's press back. So that's extreme sports, you have a couple of channels for that. Then you got equestrian, hunting and fishing, and the last section is lifestyle. If I go back to the top, you can also see that we can navigate through the channels from this top menu. So here I'm on featured. I can quickly cycle left and right. Just for example, show me the sports news. Click on that and now see those channels here. So here's some game time decision news. And once again, we are taken into that live broadcast and we're looking at some video news. That's working absolutely fine. So no real menu as such in this application, guys. It really is just a big list of channels, all properly categorized with that fully working EPG. And the fact that you can access all of this content without any VPN, without any registration, I definitely think this new free live sports is worthwhile checking out. And as you saw the news article, they are going to be adding in more and more sports channels as the application develops. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, let's press the home key. I can now go over to the search, click on search, and let's just search for free live sports. Here we are, so free live sports, let's click on that. And when you click on that, you can see it's not the first few in the list. You do have to scroll to the right a bit. Give that a second, and this is the one that you're looking for. And you can see it's a brand new application released just for October 2024. And that is one of the things about my channel where I do try to find you the best applications, the best tips and tricks, really just the best way you can get the most from your cord cutting device So if you're interested in content like that, make sure you are subscribed with all notifications. That's the application there. Now, if you can't see this application in your application store for whatever reason, I will try to find a copy and add it to my tutorials page as per normal. Just head over to tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this application on all of your devices. And just before you go, guys, let me just share a super special offer just for the month of October, where you can now get total protection for unlimited devices. Doesn't matter if you have 10 Fire Sticks or 25 Android TVs and 4 laptops, all of your devices will be covered with a single license. You can then change your IP address, change your virtual location, you can hide your online activities, you can access all of your favorite streaming applications wherever you are in the world. Really, to get all of that for just $2.19 a month, I really think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. And they also give you those 3 months free. Using my link does help support my channel, so many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.